going on, guys? Another day here at the lake and ready to get out there and see what we can do today. So I'm going to the same place I was last weekend. You know, last weekend I came out here, lost the 6, caught one just under 5, only 2 bites for today, but you know, today I'm hoping we can put a bag together. So I don't think much has changed when it comes to the water temperature. You know, probably still going to be right in that mid 40s. We've had some nice days this week, but the lows at night have still been getting down there, so I don't expect a whole lot to have changed. And big difference today from last weekend is going to be all the wind. So we got a cold front coming in tomorrow, gust over 30 mile an hour today. So it's already pretty windy this morning, kind of can see here, but that's got me excited because that wind's blowing right into my area, and I'm hoping that's kind of what'll trigger these fish today versus last weekend, having to really force feed them. So ready to get out there. Hopefully we can get a big bag today, and let's see what we can do. There we go. That's a good one. That's a donk. Apparently I just gotta slow down a little bit. Yeah, that's a donk. There we go. Oh, it's a... Okay. It's not a bass. It's a pike. Or a... Oh, I thought that was a 7-pounder with what I've been catching out here. Alright, that's a cool catch. Oh, I'm gonna lose it. Probably gonna lose this fish. Lift. Oh, we got it. Alright. I thought lifting like that, I was certainly gonna lose it. Hook came out easy there. Come on, get over here. Alright. Well, there went that pike. I was taking a picture of it and it flopped and I dropped it and I didn't have the camera on, but dropped him over the side. You know, he swam off great, so that was pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, I really thought that was a tank. I've been fishing jerkbait, crankbaits, A-rigs, rattle traps so much through this area. That was maybe my 2nd or 3rd cast, just really slowing down and dragging. I was throwing a Strike King Rage Craw and drug through there and just felt the hit. I mean, I loaded up, man. I really thought that thing was a big bass, but hey, that was still a fun catch. I can't believe I got him in the boat. You know, he twisted up in the net, and you know the hook was just spiraled in there. It snapped off, and I was able to. I can't believe hoisting him like that didn't just break him right there. But cool catch. Well, I kind of got my juices back flowing a little bit, so let's see what we can do. Well, I just got my 2nd hit for the day. Started moving around a little bit more, getting off my main area. You know, caught that one on a Megabass 110 plus 1, right at 3 pounds, 3.43. So it hit pretty good, and man, it fought great. So let's keep that up. Oh, that's a good one. Doesn't feel like a giant, but it does feel like a good one. Oh, my net's all tangled up. Come on. There we go. Oh, no, that's a good one. That's donk. All right. Let's go. That was a debacle getting that one unhooked. I'll lock it at 432. It's a big fish there. This one go here. Oh, that hammered it. Oh, it came off. Oh, that fish hammered it. This one doesn't feel as big, but it's definitely, if you're a good one. Oh no, it's a good one. It's just fighting dumb. Oh, don't do that. Come on. Get in there. Let's go. All right, that's another good one. That is another good one. $401. There's another good chunky bass. Third fish there. Second on the KVD jerkbait was a 4.01, so it's got me at 1177 on 3. We're definitely starting to put a little bag together here. You know, it's 1:35, so got plenty of time. Now that I'm moving around a little bit, you know, I've gotten 2 good bites. Feel like a big one, but definitely be number 4 for the day. A better one than I think. I'd just be playing a little different. Well, that's a good one. All right. Oh, there we go. 302. Another good fish today. You know, I just caught that last one on a KVD Phantom Perch. This one's a shallow diver. You know, I'm basically just in front of this rock jetty. There's a brush pile out here, and that's how I got that last 3-pounder on the jerkbait. Had to make a lot of casts through there. You know, that fish didn't bite right away. I made a good, 25 casts or so through there before it finally bit, and that's all right. We're at $14.79 and 4 fish, so one more to make our bag today. So just hunting for that last bite now. Be number 5 for today. Get number 5 for the day. Come on. There we go. All right, that's our limit. Let's go. That is our limit. It's 4:46. I got on the water at about 8:30, so basically took full 8 hours to get my limit here. Let's see where we're at. Yeah, I said 279, 284. We'll go 284. All right, we're at 1763 for the day. Not a bad one. Thank you, number 5. That makes our limit for the day. Let this one go. Gonna hurt tomorrow. Well guys, that's gonna be about it for the day. Been a great day. 6 bass, my best 5 went 1767. Caught a big pike, caught a 5.5 pound channel catfish, and a couple crappie. So I take that any day. Middle of March here in Iowa, that's all the better. So been a good day. Winds have been high and been cold at times with that, but other than that, the fishing's been great. So caught everything on jerkbaits today. One was on a mega bass. Other than that, it's all been Strike King. I did have to switch that a lot, different colors, the shallow diver, deep diver, and then I did bounce all around this lake. I normally fish just a couple spots, and today I caught them all over. I had to expand my horizons a little bit. So hit that subscribe button. Tournaments here in the state going to be starting in 3 weeks. We're just going to be fun fishing until then, and following these pre-spawn bass into spawn here. So it's my favorite time of year to fish for big ones, and we haven't caught anything too big yet, but we're around them. So we'll stick at it and keep going, and it's going to happen eventually. So hey, until next time guys, peace.